So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head up with search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. We're gonna double click on Windows Audio. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. We're going to do the same thing for the Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Double click on that, startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now we're going to click on restart, and then click on yes. We're going to restart both the Windows Audio services. And then once you do all of that, see if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the next method, we're going to head up with search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run. And now this will come up, the audio troubleshooter. Now once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on yes to run the diagnostics. Once you complete all those steps, hopefully this will now fix your problem. For the last method, we're just going to do a simple restart of our computer. Come back into Windows, and then this should fix your problem.